Now entering Capitol Hill. Doors to my left.
Let's do a grapefruit mimosa on this fine Sunday morning.
Wonderful.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Of course.
Okay, so let's do the chicken and waffle.
Okay, perfect. Do you want it with eggs or without?
With
eggs. How'd you like them cooked?
over easy.
Over easy. Great. Do you want to add bacon?
I don't think so.
Okay,
I think the chicken
sounds
and the
good.
waffle should be enough.
Should be enough. Yeah, I'll get that.
Thanks very much. So I've ordered the chicken and waffles with eggs. Coffee first. And I've got a grapefruit mimosa on the way. Look at this yumminess. Grapefruit mimosa for Sunday brunch here at Skillet. Oh, that is tart and brisk and crisp and refreshing and delicious. Oh, we're going in again here. Hello, grapefruit mimosa. Quite a few construction projects in this neighborhood. We're fairly close to Seattle University. A lot of bus lines go right by here, as you can see. How simple and yummy and amazing does this look? So we've got some eggs, over easy. Oh, hello, darling. We've got the cornmeal waffle underneath. How delightful is that texture inside the waffle? Whipped butter, boneless fried chicken thigh, and evidently the syrup is a brown sugar syrup. So that will be going, all over this momentarily. All right, I folded back the eggs. Got butter down into all the crevices of the waffle. There's some of that brown sugar syrup. Let's dig in here. Oh my God. When it's trying to escape and run out, a little rivulet on the side of the waffle there. Oh, the syrup is amazeballs. You can taste the brown sugar in the syrup. Oh, that's amazing. That's great.
Definitely get used to. Where did you come from?
From New Orleans.
Oh, that's a big move.
Huge difference.
Okay.
Especially this time of year where it's like jacket and flannel weather in late August.
Yeah, no, completely.
And in New Orleans, it's something we call delightfully swamp ass down there.
Yeah, I would believe so.
It's just horrendously humid
Really,
at this time of year. I know some people don't like runny egg, either on its own or over something else. Well, you should really get over it. Here's some of the buttered waffle with runny egg and the boneless fried chicken thigh. And the brown sugar syrup. Bringing everything together in a happy menagerie of flavors. Oh my. It's a pretty big honking piece of chicken there. I think it would be better with syrup on it, don't you? The very last bite of the chicken. And all the syrup. And all the yumminess. And the mimosa. All gone.